You are not your thoughts, but right now, your mind owns you. It tells you who you are. It drags you into the past, it pushes you into the future, and it keeps you running, endlessly, never arriving. But what if I told you that you could break free, that there is a way to wake up, to step into the now and see reality as it truly is? This is the journey toward enlightenment, but make no mistake, it is not easy, and most people never make it. Your mind is a storyteller. It whispers narratives about who you are, what you've done, and what you should be afraid of. It tells you that the past defines you and the future will save you. But here's the secret most people never realize. The mind is lying to you. Every thought is a trap, a loop, a cycle. And the longer you identify with it, the more imprisoned you become. So the question is, can you escape? At first, awakening seems simple. You read The Power of Now, you start observing your thoughts, and for a brief moment you feel free. The weight of the world lifts. You see the gaps between thoughts. You experience stillness. But then, life happens. You get triggered. You fall back into old patterns. You react, you overthink, you doubt. And suddenly, you're back in the prison of the mind. And this is where most people give up. They think, I'm not enlightened, I'm failing. But that is just another trick of the mind, another thought to disidentify from. The truth is, setbacks are part of the process. The moment you become aware that you've been lost in thought, you're already waking up. The key isn't to never get lost, it's to notice when you do, and return, again, and again, and again. Every time you come back to now, you are rewiring your consciousness. The mind will resist, it will fight for control, but the more you observe it, the less power it has over you. One day, something changes. The thoughts still come, but you don't believe them. The past still whispers, but it no longer defines you. The future still calls, but it no longer controls you. You are here, now, present, alive. This is what enlightenment is. Not a destination, not a grand awakening moment, but a shift in how you exist, a process of stepping out of the illusion and into reality. So the question is, are you willing to take this journey, to challenge everything you believe about yourself, to surrender control, and finally, step into the now? If so, your journey begins today. Right now, someone you know is trapped in their mind, stuck in their own thoughts, lost in the illusion of time. If this message resonated with you, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it, someone who needs to wake up. Like this video if you felt something shift within you. Subscribe if you're ready to go deeper, and if you're truly present, leave a comment below. I am here. Because in this moment, there's nowhere else to be.